Yo, what's going on, people? It's your boy Logic, and welcome back to yet another video. Today what I wanted to do is discuss the 3 habits of a great plant parent. So this video is intended for the beginner houseplant parents, but it definitely is a video for everybody. If you've been in the plant hobby for a while, this is still going to be something that you're going to want to tune into. Maybe there's some things that you need to adjust or some habits that you can adopt that I discuss in this video. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so this video is gonna be a quickie. The first habit of a great plant parent is gonna be that you're gonna want to check in regularly with your plant babies. You're gonna wanna make sure that what you're doing is that you're staying on top of your plants. So I like to check in with my plants every single day. So first thing in the morning, just get it over with. I have about 25 plants in my collection. I just kind of like lift them, I check the soil, I check the leaves to see if there's any damage or if the soil needs any watering or just if there's anything that I need to do with the plants. And what that does is that it makes sure that I'm keeping up and I'm checking in with my plants to basically ask them, yo, like, how do you feel today? You feel good? Is there something I can be doing to, you know, improve your quality of life? And what that's going to do is that it's gonna make it so that you're not forgetting about your plants. One of the common pitfalls of being a plant parent is usually gonna be you forget to water your plant or you forget to check in with your plant. And because of this, we end up with the plant fatalities, and that's why a lot of people think they have a brown thumb, but really it's such a quick fix to change around what you do so that you no longer talk as if you do have a brown thumb. Really, it's not that you don't know how to take care of plants, is that you forgot about it. So checking in with your plants, definitely gonna be number 1 on the list. That is the first habit of a great plant parent. Now number 2, the second habit of a great plant parent is gonna be that a great plant parent is always educating themselves. So when you buy a plant, a lot of people just buy it because the plant looks good. The plant looks, I don't know, pretty or something, or maybe like it would look really good in your house, in your apartment. But the truth is that when you're buying any house plant or any plant in general, you're essentially making a commitment that I am going to take care of you. Think of it like a contract for friendship, right? Like I kind of want to start making friendship contracts because I don't know, like something goes wrong. It's like you read the fine print and you signed it. This is on you. You owe me money. When you purchase a plant, you're making a commitment to that plant that you're gonna take care of it. And part of taking care of it is going to be educating yourself about the needs of the plant. What makes this plant different from other kinds? It's very easy to go into a new house plant that you're owning and just do what you're doing for the rest of your plants. But the truth is, plants are not built alike. So you're gonna have some plants that like some things, other plants that like others. There's gonna be a lot of diversity in the care. Just understanding that educating yourself is the best thing that you can do. You can go on YouTube. You're on this channel. I have plenty of care videos right here, so you can continue checking out my videos. Shameless plug. You can check out other people's channels or other people's videos. Do a Google search. A lot of times when I'm trying to figure out a plant, I literally just Google it. What makes this plant tick? What is different about this plant? And I check out a bunch of different facts, and it just makes me better. It makes me more prepared to take care of it. So that's gonna be my number 2. Educate yourself. What kind of light requirements does your plant need? What kind of watering requirements does your plant have? Does it like to be root bound? Does it not like to be root bound? Find out everything there is to know about your plant. It's kind of like speed dating, you know, like you want to know as much as you can of the plant before you commit to it, before you buy it. Now number 3 is gonna be a bit of a weird one. It's a bit more abstract, but I'm going to tell you guys that number 3 is going to be learn to develop a spiritual connection with your plants. And that may definitely come across as weird to like a whole bunch of different audiences on this channel when I say develop a spiritual connection. But what I'm trying to say is develop a connection so that you can see the plants as living beings. Do you know when people say like that I like to go hiking or I like to go in the woods because I feel really connected with nature? It's for a reason. In my personal belief, I feel like you can feel living beings around you. And so when people go to the woods and they see these really old magnificent trees or these really cute plants or bushes or shrubbery on their path, on their walks, you can really feel the connection. Plants are living beings and they have needs in order to continue growing, and you want to respect that. And I think that building a spiritual connection simply means respect your plant. When you establish the level of respect for your plants, that's going to allow for you to make space to actually like cultivate it and cultivate your love and your relationship with your garden so that you can take the best possible care of it. I know that's an abstract concept, but it's one of those for like the if you know, you know moments, to be honest. So that is it for my list. Like I said, super short video, but those are my 3 habits of great plant parents. The first habit is checking in with your plant. Second one, educating yourself about your plants. And then third one, build the spiritual connection or the level of respect with your plant babies. That is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you leave a thumbs up down below. My name is Brandon, aka Urban Logic. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.